How to add stickers on Telegram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add stickers on Telegram. So let's get started. So first thing, simply open up your any of the chat where you want to send or you would like to send or add any stickers. So to add any stickers on Telegram, it's pretty simple because you can easily get the or access the stickers from this emoji icon over here. That is the sticker icon itself, and under or below at the bottom you will see three different sections, that is emoji, gifs, as well as stickers. So just tap on this stickers button over here, and from over here you can basically choose from any of the stickers, and you need to continuously use Telegram to unlock these features such as this logged stickers. So you can also actually search in for any sort of different stickers like this of your customized choices. So once you enter it, just select it and simply send it to your friends just like that. So that is how we do it, guys. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.